Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to rank customer by sales. Here is a computer world sales report where date, customer, product, country, quantity, rate and amount are given. And I want to know the rank of the customer to highest to lowest sales. How can we find the rank of the customer? Just go to the insert and here is the option pivot table. Just click here and click OK. It will display the pivot table option. Now drag the customer to the rows. It will display all the customer in pivot table. Now drag the amount to the sum values. It will display the total sales of the customer. Afzal Bhatti, total sales are 30,000. Arman Kavi, total sales are 37,000. And I want to know the rank of the customer. Just drag the amount again to the sum value. It will display the same data. Just click here in second amount and click value field setting and type here custom name rank and click show value as. Here is the option show value as drop down list. Just select the rank largest to smallest option and click OK. Base field is customer and just click OK. Now it will get the total rank. This is a highest sales. Number 1 is a highest sales. Faisal Saeed, total sales are 83,000. Shani is a rank 2. It is a second largest, 80,000. The smallest is Rizwan, rank 8, and the smallest sales are 12,000. This way you can rank your sales by customer. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.